Hi guys, in this video I would like to show you how you can connect your JBL Xtreme to Bluetooth speaker to an Android phone. So to do this, first let's turn on the speaker by pressing the power button. Out of the box, if the speaker hasn't been connected to any device yet, it starts in pairing mode, but otherwise you have to manually switch it into pairing mode by pressing the Bluetooth button. Now as you can see, the LED light starts blinking and now you can find the speaker with your phone. So to do this, first let's make sure that the Bluetooth is turned on the phone. You can enter into the Bluetooth settings by long pressing the Bluetooth sign. Now the phone starts to scan the available devices, and as you can see, the Xtreme 2 already appeared in the list, so let's click on it. Now they are pairing, and from now the phone and the speakers are connected and paired together, so you can play music on the speaker. Next time, if you turn on the speaker, you do not have to do the same process because the phone and the speaker remain paired together. So if you turn on the speaker, it will start to automatically connect to the last connected device. So that's it. If you have any question, feel free to drop a comment, and if you like the video, please press the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. You were watching The Speaker Fanatic.